How to turn off Safe Search on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Google application on your phone. Google's Safe Search feature is designed to help you manage explicit content in your search results. It also provides different levels of filtering to customize your browsing experience. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. A menu will appear with several options related to your account and search settings. From this list, find and select the Safe Search option. This will take you to the Safe Search Management screen, where you will see 3 settings. Change the settings from blur to off. After tapping on off, it will show all relevant results, even if they're explicit. Your preference will be saved for all future searches within the Google app. Following these steps, you can easily turn off Safe Search on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.